Hello and welcome all in this video. So we are going to discuss about morphology of Ascaris lumbricoids or external structure of the Ascaris lumbricoids. So the Ascaris lumbricoid is one of the most familiar endoparasite of the man. It has also been reported from pig, cattle, sheep, squirrels. It inhabits the small intestine and more frequently found in the body of the children than of the adults. When we see the external morphology, we can find that the shape and size, body is elongated of this organism, Ascaris parasite. The anterior end being more slender than the cylindrical and gradually tapering at both ends. Sexes are separate, that is the dioecious condition is found in this organism with a distinct sexual dimorphism. Female measures about 20 to 40 centimeter and 4 to 6 millimeter in diameter. It has a straight tail, while male is smaller, up to 20 centimeter in length and 2 to 4 millimeter in diameter. Its tail is curved ventrally. That is the tail of the male is curved. The cuticle covering the body surface bears minute transverse striations, having a pseudo-segmented appearance to the worm. When we see the color, fresh specimens are light yellow to light pink in color. Semi-transparency of body wall enables some of the internal organs to be seen through it. The entire length of body are longitudinal streaks or lines. That lines are one mid-dorsal, one mid-ventral and two lateral. So entire length of the body having longitudinal streaks or lines. In that lines are one line that is found on the mid-dorsal side, one on the mid-ventral side and two on the lateral side. Dorsal and ventral lines appears pure white, while lateral lines, which are more conspicuous, appears brown. These lines are simply the impression of syncytial epidermis, which is much thickened all along the length at the median dorsal, median ventral and two lateral positions. Anterior end is rounded, bearing a small terminal triradiate mouth, guarded by three broad lips or labia. One lip is mid-dorsal and two are subventral or lateroventral. Inner or oral margin of each lip has a forked fleshy core made up of two anterior extensions of labial parenchyma and bears minute denticles. These denticulate inner margins of lips form a sort of rasping surface. Outer surface of each lip bears minute sensory papillae. Dorsal lip bears two double papillae, one on each side. These papillae are tangoreceptors. When we see the posterior end or tail end of body shows clear sexual dimorphism. It is a straight in female but curved ventrally in male. In female, a little in front of the tail lies a midventral transverse aperture or anus, guarded by thick lips. Only digestive tube opens to outside through anus. In male, anus is replaced by a cloaca. It is a common aperture for digestive and genital tubes. Sometimes two chitinous spicules or spiculates process of equal size are seen protruding out of the cloacal aperture. These are called as pineal setae, and which serves to transfer sperms into female vagina during copulation. Part of caudal end behind anus or cloaca aperture may be called as tail. Tail end of male Ascaris is characterized by the presence of numerous genital papillae or that is on ventral surface. There is a single pore which is called as excretory pore. This single pore, excretory pore, mid-ventrally found at a distance of about 2 mm from the anterior end. The excretory pore is situated mid-ventrally, a little behind the mouth. In female, the genital pore and anus open separately. The genital pore is situated mid-ventrally at about 1/3 distance from the anterior end. Thank you.